Hello. If you downloaded ASL Validata and want to know how it works, continue watching this video. First, open the program. Here, I have already left a list of products ready, so we can see how it works. Now let's add an item, for example, 1 liter of whole milk. Here we define the date when the product was added, and here we enter the expiration date. In this example, we will use 1 week. In the location, we will enter freezer 1. The price can be $2. Then we click on Add. As you can see by the color, this product will soon expire. The colors are displayed like this. The closer to expiration, the redder the color. In this case, the ones that are red are the ones that have already expired. The ones that are orange are the ones that will expire soon, and the ones that are yellow are the ones that still have some time before they expire. We can also use the search fields. For example, we can search for Coca-Cola. You can also search by location or by price, by expiration date, and by entry. We can also reorder the items, for example, by name, or by entry, or by expiration date, which is the most common, and also by location and price. I'll leave it sorted by expiration date. We can also delete, but to do so you have to select the entire line here and click Remove. You can also delete several at the same time. We can also edit by double-clicking on the desired field. And finally, we can save. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.